So guys, right now for the plan, we're gonna gift the kids in the neighborhood a mini bike for Christmas. He's coming back here with his right now, so. Oh, what happened to your front tooth?
Chipped it.
How many friends do you have that ride bikes with you?
I have 2.
How many other kids would you ride with in the neighborhood if they had bikes?
All of them.
If you had to build a custom mini bike, what color would you do it?
Probably black and red.
What would you do red on it though?
I would probably
Like
just mix it together.
Mix it? Bro, literally. The answer to those questions worked out perfect. 670? All right, here we go. I think we're gonna go with the 224 Max Performance because we could get the Ghost and get all the upgrades. This is $200 for the. I mean, is it chinky upgrades or is this?
No, I mean,
Is that a fuel pump? Exhaust, air filter.
Yeah,
329.
oh, and it don't have a gas tank on top.
So that's the more popular one, not this one.
These are the same motor, except it's just got a 3 mil stroke, 3 mil longer stroke. So I think it's just a little bit more torque.
Hi, Karen.
What's that, my love dog?
You can't pre-order an engine, huh? They don't have that one. But I could see check on this one for you.
They said we missed the Christmas deal
By 2 days.
like 2 days.
Kids will get a good deal.
Yeah, it's good to get a good deal. Got the frame right here. Got the steering stem. Not worried about how the red looks, guys, because we're gonna do our own thing on it, y'all. We gotta make it custom. You know, Scootin custom. Let's go.
The other thing too with that last FRP bike, that bike probably, I did what I do, 38 on it. I could probably definitely do like 45 on it if we could make a gear and change.
Landon said he liked black.
Yeah. So we got a special black. So it's not gonna be this red. This red's nice. It's pretty nice, but we got a lollipop red. We're gonna do like a candy lollipop red with a nice clear coat on it. It's gonna be fresh and clean. They're gonna want to ride this thing back to school now. Should I powder coat the lever?
You ain't about it.
Of course I'm about it. Look, the brakes are already red and black with the red line. Meant to be red and black bike. It's got the upgraded red brake line too. Ooh, man, we got to get that grip off.
Ooh. Bro, the whole motor, like if you look at it from the front, the whole motor's like all the way out to this side. Bro, that's fire. Like this is how they should come. Yo, bro.
So one of the kids is pulling up on his mini bike right now. So when he goes on his Snapchat and they take a picture of it, it's a reflective, like a street sign, like a reflective street sign. At night, you know, when like a car passes by or something, it reflects. So the day after Christmas, all the kids got their Christmas gifts, but we got one more gift for them. Y'all, the kids in the neighborhood have been coming in our garage and seeing all of our bikes, and like They got bikes because of us, but not everybody in the neighborhood has a bike. So we got them a FRP style mini bike. That's the frame. We went to Harbor Freight, got them a 212 Harbor Freight motor, but y'all, it's a little jumping, all right? We powder coated it a reflective black. So like when this light hits on it, it's gonna reflect back. It should be cool, like on cameras, pictures, whatever, Snapchat. Anytime that light hits it, like it reflects back, and then we did it a red. So we powder coated it, threw the 212cc in it, and I think the kids are gonna love it. So it's got a nice slick look. Man, he's outside right now, so well, let's tighten that here.
He just knows that we're going to watch y'all.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And he's right there.
All right, cool. One of the kids from the neighborhood is right here, but it's mainly for him. But like I said, he can let. So it's mainly for the kid outside, but he can let his friends ride it, and he has another bike, so you know what I'm saying? They can all share bikes. All right, they need some more bikes in the neighborhood. Got the handlebars tilted forward because I'm telling y'all it's a little bit powerful. And on this setup, you can have the actual foot pegs either here or in the back. So I put them in the back because you can, like, you know what I'm saying? You can lean forward a little bit on it. The back brakes work good. It's a one pull shawty. Now we're not gonna pull it because he's outside. We're gonna take it out to the strip and let him ride it. But he has no idea, so we're gonna surprise him and see what happens. How fast was that, Landon?
47.5.
You got the speed thing on your phone? Man, cuz got the whole dashboard right there.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, well, just that. We just brought that one, but trying to think we should, like, yo, check out my new bike or whatever. I don't know what you think. You think, Landon, you'll go for a ride in a little while? No? No. Too fast? You gotta check out my new ride, though. You gonna check it out? Go get it, Jordan. We got 2 new rides. All right, I got one for me, but the other one's for you. It's that one. That one, not this one. It's that one. Landon, this one's for me.
I know. Wait, is this the throttle right here?
Right here? Yeah, it's throttle.
Oh.
But this one, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna beat yours. You got one.
What do you mean by yours?
That's yours right there, Landon.
Like for real, for real.
It's a little bit more souped up than the one you have. Oh, good catch.
Thanks, Noah.
Oh yeah, we gotta make sure it starts first. It's brand new. It's a little bit more powerful than the one you have, so you gotta lean forward a little bit. It's real torquey off the jump, so it will pop a wheelie if you sit back. Let's see. Turn the choke on right here. That land is a little bit jumpy. So yeah, lean forward. Yeah. Take it easy. Take it easy at first, cause it All right, there you go. Taking it slow.
That thing right there. You got a whole row, buddy.
Feels weird? So we put the handlebars forward a little bit. That way you keep your weight forward. We can put them back though if you want them back. You want me to open it up first, ride it around? We haven't rode it much.
You haven't?
No, I mean we just took it in the front yard and I was like, okay, this thing is like, watch, I'll
You might have to fool with that.
So which one you want to drive? Drag racing, then we'll go hit the trails a little bit. Right here. Come back around, not gonna be long. Drag race?
Yeah.
This one? Your new thing?
Mhm.
All right, let's line it up. I'm not taking it easy on you either. I don't like to lose.
All right, you ready?
You think? You want to switch? Come on, you can't be scared of it. If you get scared, you get hurt. Don't be scared. Let me start it for you.
Hey, you go when you're ready.
Huh? Alright.
I smoked him. I smoked him.
The only thing I feel when riding it is just vibration.
Yeah.
You think it feels more powerful than this one though?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. It's not revving as high, but it's definitely a lot more throttle
Yeah.
responsive. We'll put it like that. You gonna follow me? Catch you, but I'm gonna give you like a 5-second head start.
Alright, so
Race back to the trailer.
Back to the trailer. Just go a circle. There's no fast.
alright.
It's like hide and seek playing tag. You got 5 seconds. I'm coming.
Alright.
You know, 5 seconds. Something to ride around with the kids in the neighborhood. Good learning bike, like you said, a little upgraded what he had. So FRP just sent us the frame, guys. They sell a frame kit with no motor, so it's perfect for upgrading it. And it slides kind of pretty much, we just slid the motor right in. So you can upgrade the motor big as you want. Thank FRP for sending out his mini bike. Merry Christmas, everybody. Scootin Skittle. Yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.